Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare bean stew with vegetable oil. First, thoroughly rinse 1 pound of dry beans under cold water. Then, place them in a large bowl and cover with about 6 cups of fresh water. Let them soak overnight, or for a minimum of 8 hours. This crucial step helps soften the beans and significantly reduces their cooking time later on. Remember to drain and rinse them again before the next step. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter quickly. Now, add the drained and rinsed beans to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in about 6 cups of fresh vegetable broth or water, ensuring the beans are fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer gently for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beans are wonderfully tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, stir in 1 cup of diced carrots and 1/2 cup of chopped celery. Season the stew generously with salt, black pepper, and your preferred herbs like bay leaves or thyme. Continue to simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the added vegetables are tender crisp. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Serve your delicious bean stew warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.